back to school.
Welcome back to school.
Welcome back to school.
Yeah, be quiet.
Welcome back to school.
Welcome back to school.
Welcome back to school.
What is this? Why you are screaming the class? Let me know. What is this? Okay, let's start. Now I started the lesson others animals before only. I think two classes I already took. Today is the third day. Okay. So some net problem come that day. That's why again I want to revise the lesson. Look at the screen only. Wait, look at the screen. I'm going to share what you can see in the screen. Shamreen, what you can see in the screen?
Butterfly and mosquito.
Very good. This all.
Bangladesh have mosquito.
Okay, quiet. Now these all the examples of the insects. Okay. Already I explained what is insects. Insects means look at the ant, then you can understand very well. Look at the ant. How many legs you can see?
6 legs. 6 legs.
Yeah. I already explained to you what are insects. Those having the 6 legs and some having the small wings to fly. Not for all, some. These are called the insects like butterflies and mosquitoes. Now look at the screen and be quiet. What you can see in the screen? Talha, what you can see? Can you tell me the name?
Grasshopper.
Very good.
Grasshopper.
Very good. Cockroach and grasshopper. These two also the example of insects. Now look at the screen.
Cockroach, grasshopper.
Yes. Look at the screen now. Mariam, what you can see in the screen, Mariam? Can you tell me?
Cockroach, grasshopper. Butterfly.
And last one, not butterfly, my dear. This is called the moth. I explained the last class. This is called the
Honeybee, ladybug.
Ladybug.
somebody making the noise. I don't want any sound, my dear. This is the honeybee. And next
Honeybee, ladybug.
and third one is the moth. All of you say moth.
Moth.
That one I explained that class. Butterfly and moth look like same, but it's not same. Butterfly is the very colorful insect. Moth don't have this much color. Okay. This is the moth. Now going to show the second. Just look at the screen. I am going to show the different pictures. This much already I taught the last class, right? Last class. Now look at the screen. What you can see in the screen, my dear?
Peacock.
Peacock. And other side?
Sparrow.
Not sparrow. Say the sparrow. Yes. So sparrow and peacock. In these two are the name of the birds. Can you tell me one thing? What is the difference you can see in the screen? These two birds, both are birds. What is the difference? Mahmoud, can you tell me the answer? Samia, can you give me the answer? What is the difference in these two pictures? Anybody else?
Peacock feather is very big.
Very good. I think Mona give me the answer. Not only feather, yes. Peacock is the large bird and sparrow is the small bird. Now look at the screen. My dear, look at the screen. What is written here? What are birds? Right? Already last class I explained what are insects. Now I'm going to
And bird have
what are birds. Today our
bird have wings.
who is talking, my dear?
Wings and more
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. First, give me chance to explain.
Robot with
Muhammad. First class, I explained to you about the insects. Now I'm going to teach you about the birds. Before already I show you two birds. One is the big bird and its name is the peacock. Then I show you the other side small bird. I gave you one example, that is the sparrow. First start the lesson. We have to know what are birds. Before I told you what are insects. Insects means the 6 legs, small wings. Now about the birds, I want to say you something. Look at the screen. Birds means birds have wings. Okay, why birds have wings? Because without wings, bird cannot fly in the sky. Birds need wings to fly. Okay, their bodies are covered with the soft feathers. Okay, Mahir, you are doing something in the screen, my dear. I can see. Concentrate to the lesson. Don't do anything in the screen, Mahir. Understood? Birds have wings to fly and birds' bodies are covered with the soft feathers. Now I'm going to show you the picture of the feathers. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. I will show you the what you can see in the screen. Shimran, what you can see? Make you unmute, Shimran. Yes, Shimran again.
Yes.
What you can see in the screen?
Feathers.
Okay, different kind of feathers. Did you see some feathers are very long and some are very
Yes.
Why? Because I show you already the big birds and the small birds. If the bird size is very big, obviously feather also long.
Lines.
If the bird size is small, obviously feathers also small will come.
Bird.
That's why. Okay, now go to the next picture. I will show you different kind of birds picture. Okay. And I will ask you one by one the name. No, nobody will open the mouth if I will not call your name only. Okay. Okay. These two already completed. Yes. Mariam.
Yes, teacher.
What you can see in the screen, Mariam? What you can see?
Hen.
Okay, hen. It's not hen. Actually, there are two types, cock and hen. One is the boy and one is the girl. Okay, the girl means hen give us the eggs. These eggs, you are like to eat the eggs, egg roll, so many things. And cock, especially you are taking for like a meat. Understood? Okay, and next one. No. One second. I'm going to show you. This one already, this name is rooster. Okay, now I'm going to ask the Talha. Talha, can you hear me?
Yes.
What's the second picture name, my dear? You can see the white and brown. Eagle. Eagle is the very big bird name. I will explain about the all birds. First, I'm going to show you some pictures. Now, I am going to ask the question for Abdullah Misbah. Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? Always I'm calling your name, but you are not responding. Samia, can you hear me? Samia, can you hear me, my dear? Make you unmute. Samia, can you hear me? No. Sanoki, can you hear me, my dear? Sanoki, can you hear me? What happened? Mahmoud, can you hear me? Mahmoud, can you hear me? All are muted. Okay, let me check. Mahir, yes, Mahir. What you can see in the screen, my dear? Mahir,
And pigeon.
very good. There are two birds in the screen. First one parrot and very colorful, and different color of parrot also we can see. Some parrot have the red color beak, okay, and green color body. This is the little different. And other is the pigeon. In Bahrain, everywhere you can see the pigeon. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now I'm going to show you the other picture. Okay, let me. Okay, look at the screen. I'm going to share with you some different pictures. Okay, now my question for Monaid. Monaid, what you can see in the screen?
Crow and color.
This is called the stork. Very good. Crow means black color crow, and always. Can you make the sound of crow? Anybody can make the sound of crow? Monaid?
Yes, teacher.
See, my house one crow came. You know, my house one crow came and making sound. Okay, now already now this is my last week lesson, and what you can see in the screen? Ostrich. Okay, very good. You know, ostrich is the big bird. You know,
But it cannot fly.
it cannot fly, but it can run very fast.
Very fast.
Yes, this ostrich is a very big bird, but it cannot fly, but run very fast. If you compare to the other birds, these birds can fly, but these birds cannot fly. Okay, I'm going to show you some different kind of beaks. You know, before last class I taught you what is the use of beaks. Birds having very hard beaks. Why? Because of their food habits. Now look at the screen, I will show you. Birds using their beaks to holding the food. Understood? What you can see the first picture? One bird using, yes, using the beaks, taking the food. That's why all birds have the hard beaks. Look at the heading. I wrote H-A-R-D, hard, B-E-A-K-S, beaks. Because they don't have the like our mouth, they don't have the like we have the hands, no? What time we are taking the food, we are using our hands to hold the food. But birds have only beaks. These beaks behave like a hand. Whatever our hand use, same thing, birds using their beaks. That's why their beaks are very hard. Rakimon, did you see the picture?
Yes, teacher.
Their beaks are very hard. Why? See the second picture, the white color bird, very sharp and long beaks. Okay, because of, see, they are taking, I think this is a starfish, okay, taking the fish from the water. So if their beaks are long, they can easily put in the water, catch the fish. Okay, that's why different birds have different kind of beaks. Some having the small beak, some having the long beak. Depends of their food habit. Okay, now this is the last week topic. Today actually I want to teach you about the fishes. Understood? Now you can see one picture in the screen. What you can see in the screen, my dear?
Fish.
Fish. I make one. Yes, Rakimon. I gave one picture. In this picture, you can see. See, we have our so many body parts. We can see, no? Yes or no?
Mouth. Yes.
Okay, tell me. What can you hear me? What is not in the class? Samia, can you hear me? No. Tanuki, can you hear me? Tanuki, can you, Jamie, make you unmute. Jamie, make you unmute. Yes, Jamie. Make you unmute. You are muted. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Try one more time. Yeah, Jamie. See, in our body, we have so many parts of the body. Can you tell me some name of the body parts? Whatever you have, don't see the fish. I'm asking about your body parts. Give me some names.
Eyes. Head.
Yes.
Hand. Nose.
Very good. Tanuki. Sanuki. What time I'm calling the Sanuki's name? Sanuki, off the video. Very bad, Sanuki. Tell me some body parts name. Your body parts, not. I'm not asking about the fish. Whatever you have the body parts, tell me some names. Jamie already gave me the answer. Jamie said the eyes, nose, hands. Very good, Jamie. Excellent. Now, Sanuki, give me the other example. Louder. I cannot hear you. Why your sound is not coming, Sanuki? I can see your lips sing. You are saying, but sound is not coming. Oh, last time also the same problem I'm facing. Okay. And who is in the class? Najmul?
Yes.
Dear, can you explain this picture, whatever you can see in the screen?
This is the fish.
This is a fish. Samia, make you unmute. Samia, make you unmute, my dear. Yes, Samia. Samia, try to make you unmute. Your sound is not coming.
Teacher, I do.
Okay, Samia, tell me any two part name what you can see in the picture. This is a picture of a fish and I gave you nice picture. I defined the different parts of a fish. Now you have to give me any two names. Tell me.
Mouth and tail.
Very good. Very good. Kazi, tell me other two names. Already Samia said mouth and tail. What you can see in the screen, my dear? Yes, Kazi. Tell me. Kazi, make you unmute. Kazi, make you unmute, my dear. Make you unmute. Yes.
Sound to
Kazi?
Sound to ask.
Okay, I will explain. Some are not make the unmute. That's why better I will explain. This is the picture of a fish. In this picture, we can know fish also having the eyes. Both sides have two eyes, same like us. And the eyes is helping to see the inside the water. Okay, then fish having the mouth, same like us. Then we can... Okay.
Gills.
Then you can see the gills. This is the, in Bangla is called the fish, what is called? Ask your mother, inside the fish. No. Gill is inside. It is called the, I know the word. Kanko. Fish here, kanko. Is the gills. Okay. Then you can see there are different wings. Okay. Up on the body, you can see one big, like a,
Tail.
Yes, that is called the dorsal fin.
Tail.
Then you can see the big tail. Tail is, for the fish, tail is very important part. This tail is helping to the fish to make the direction. Direction means what time we are traveling by a car, a train. So we are going sometimes straight, sometimes left, sometimes right. This is those are means your father, your uncle, your driver is driving the car. They are decide which side will go. Okay, with the help of steering. But fish having that tail, and this tail is helping all the fish to take the direction, go to the direction. Okay, very important part. And the fish full body covered with the scales. The scales means ash. Some having the small, some having the big, and some fish cover with the silver color scale. Some are the black color scale. Depend of the different fish.
Some of the rich colors also.
Yes. So this is I made this slideshow for showing you the different parts of the fish. Now what you can see in the screen, my dear?
Dolphin.
What you can see in the screen? Jamie, what you can see in the screen? Monai, tell me.
Shark.
Yes, very good. This is the big fish. There are two kind of fish. Same like birds. Some birds are big, some are small. Same fish also. Some fishes are very large body and some fishes are the small. Okay, this picture I make for you because shark, it is a very large fish. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what you can see, my dear.
Fishes.
Small fishes, right? Did you see any
Yes.
aquarium? Did you see any aquarium? Did you see any aquarium? Aquarium is the fish tank. We can see in the somebody's house also have somebody.
Teacher, one day I see in my kitchen.
Inside the aquarium we can see.
In my madam house has a fish tank.
Very good, very good. Very good. So in the fish tank, we cannot put the very large fish. Okay, because at home we are keeping only small fish tank, no? This is called the aquarium. Inside the aquarium you can see like this colorful small fish. Right? Now, look at the screen. Okay, one more time. I want to revise the lesson. What you learned today, my dear? You learn about the birds and about the fishes. Birds actually last week topic. Okay, last week topic. But for next problems, I explain through I make a small video and I send to you. But in the class, whatever I'm planning that day, I cannot tell you. That's why again I revise about the birds. And today I taught you about the fishes. There are two kind of fishes. Some are large, yeah, big fish. Some are small fish. Then I show you the picture of the. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. So some fishes are large, like a shark, dolphin, you can say, and some fish are very small. Okay, already I show you. Now only one thing I want to share with you. Listen to me, my dear. Listen to me. One thing I am going to show you. That is the last of the lesson. Already you know some are living in the sky, land. Some are living in the water. Okay. Now I am going to show you some animals. Those can live both sides, even water and land. Okay. Understood? Water and land. Wait, I am going to show you this picture. I am going to show you the last picture from this picture. Okay, what is written on the top, my dear? Animals that live on
both land and water.
Okay, see the frog. Frog can live in the water. Even frog can live on the land also. In the Bangladesh, next time, what time you will go, look at the frog. You know, in the rainy season, frogs sometimes inside the water and sometimes jumping. In English, I taught you now what is I taught you? Pets Day. Pets Day. One boy having the frog putting in the pocket and what time come to the school. Yes. The frog is yes, frog is one kind of animal. Live in both. Both means what? One side land and one side water also. Like turtle also, you know, sometimes can live on the, you know, land. Land means if you taking from the water and putting on the land, turtle will live, no problem. So these two I make for you for the example of the animal. Those can live both sides. And, sorry, my dear, what you are saying? You are ready to write the notes? Are you ready for write the notes?
Yes.
Okay, now have only 10 minutes time, so I will explain only few words. Open your science notebook, my dear. Open your science notebook.
1 minute, teacher, 1 minute.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Only I will give you the 5 words today. Okay, I make 20 words, but I will give only the 5 words. Don't worry. Once again, I am opening the notes. I make for you. All are ready for writing?
Yes.
Okay, only science notebook, don't use the other notebook.
Mr. No.
Okay, take your time. Take your time, my dear, no problem. Take your time. Only few minutes have. Where is gone? Who is talking?
Waiting.
Hi. Asma's house.
Okay, first of all, on the top, write today's date, 13/9/2020. Okay. On the top, write.
Right.
Okay. Then write the other animals. On the top, write OTH. Okay, look at the screen. I wrote like this. Did you see the screen?
Where? Yes.
Okay, try to write 1 to 5 only. Okay, because now only little time is there. Okay, we'll see how many times we can write.
Teacher, what to write?
Words to learn. Write words to learn.
What's
Only write the words to
We
learn.
need to write the first one in the up.
No. So is the science notes, no? Don't write the both side. That one side I wrote, write in your notebook.
No, I say that up one in the animal and the what?
Words to learn. Yeah, you have to write words to learn. This is the question, my dear.
No, not that one. In the up.
Other animals.
Yes.
Yes, you have to write. This is the topic, my dear. Topic should be right always. Yeah. Topic right always. After the class, I will send you in my group. What time you will be free? Copy all the words. Okay, 1 to 20. Now in the class, I think we have only 7 minutes. In this 7 minutes, how much we can write? We'll write. After that remains one, you can copy from our class group. Okay. Don't take any tension. Now try to start only. I will start. I will say the word's name.
Yes.
First one, insect. INSECTS. Insect. Already I show you the picture of insect. Number 2 is cockroach. 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 Write the number 2. Complete it.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not finished one.
Okay, right, Baba. Otherwise, I will not say anything. Better you will check from the screen. If I will say maybe.
Teacher.
Yes, my dear.
The insect is INSECTS, right? Insect, right?
Yeah, INSECTS. Okay. Number 2 is cockroach. 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 Number 3 is the grasshopper. First write the spelling of grass. GRASA. Grass. Then hopper. HOPPER. In this word, there are 2 double words. Double letters. Double S and double P. Okay. Now go to the number 4. Frog. Frog can live both land and water. FROG. 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 And number 5 is the ladybug. Only write till 5. After that, you will write after the class. Okay. Ladybug. LADY. Lady. B-U-G, bug. Okay, this much completed, my dear.
One no. I already finished.
Okay, see. Now, after the class, I will send you in the group. Those are not completed. Don't worry. You can write from your class group. Every notes I send, not today, maths also, then English also I send. Now, this one also I am going to send. Okay. Actually, I am going to take the attendance. That's why I am telling you. Who is absent now? Before last period, 21 students are there. Now some are less. 2, 3 less. Okay, my dear, can I show you the different pages? This one after class you will write from the group. Okay.
No. I need only two.
Okay, right. Then okay, those are writing right. Those are completed the till 5. Just listen to me. I taught you today about the fishes, right? Before I taught you the insects and the birds also, and I show you so many pictures. I make for you the PPT. You know PPT means what? PowerPoint. In this way, I think it is easy. In the school we are showing you the flashcard, but you are not in front of me. That's why for you I make like this. Then today we started the fish. First picture I show you about the different body parts of the fish, right? This one I show you body parts. In this picture, tail, scale, gills, mouth, eyes. You can see. Then I show you. One second, my dear. 1 second. Then I show you some
No need.
large fish.
Teacher, finish.
Excellent. Now listen to me, my dear. 2 minutes time have. I want to revise. Then I show you this picture. This is the large fish's name. This is a shark. Okay. You can see my very sharp teeth also and very big wings also. Fins also. Not wings. It's called the wings. Here fins. Then I show you the next picture. Some small fishes. And last picture I show you. I told you also there are few animals. Those can live water and land, both sides. Okay. This is the last picture. Animals that live on both land and water. Understood? Understood? And last I gave you today's notes. Only I told you write 1 to 5. After this class, I will send you the same pages in the class group. What time you will be free? Now no need to write now. Now you are tired. You have, I think, one more class you have. Yes or no?
I'm not tired at all.
Okay. You can write evening also and then send to me today's note. I need the neat and clean notebook. On the top, I need the title of the topic, means other animals. Then I need the times. Everything I mention in the screen. Okay. Then write it very neatly and send to me. Okay. Then I tell you bye-bye because time is over. I'm going to say bye-bye.
English test.
English test I will take on Wednesday. Everybody start reading and writing. Start practicing at home.
Which one?
English I taught you only Asma's house, no? That one.
Oh yes, I forgot.
Oh. Okay. All of you, are you happy for the class?
Yes!
You are happy?
I am ready for the other week.
What you are saying? I don't understand.
I would little.
I am ready for the other link.
No need, Papa. Enough for today. Enough.
I little happy.
You are
It's so sorry.